All right. So, through the YouTube channel, my dad has taught me how to be a man. And lately, I've been looking at my generation and thinking, what are they doing? I look at them, they look like zombies on a phone. Like they have to look at this next video. They have to like this next video. They have to play this game. It's a waste of your time. It's unimportant. So my goal is to teach boys how to be a man and to teach women what a man is. Number one, suffering. You have to know how to suffer. Like mortification, where you suffer for God. You give the pain up to God. Number two, be a man of faith. Pray the Rosary every day. It's not that hard. 20 minutes long. Not that hard. Go to Mass every Sunday. Try to go during the week. It's good for you. Go to confession weekly. Stay holy. Wake up at 6, the least. At 6 o'clock. Pray the Angelus straight away. Be a gentleman. Open the doors for people. Open the car door, for instance. Be on the street side when you're walking with people. And say, for instance, somebody has to sneeze, give them a tissue. And stay fit. Because 30% of the population in this country are obese. Do martial arts. It gives you self-discipline mentally and physically. So these are the things that a man should do. And I shall introduce my older sister, Aidan Tristan.